So the Pandavas are Prema Para Bhaktas. And below them is Premi Bhakta Hanuman, Dasyarati Hanuman. He's on the level of Dasya Bhav. Shuddha Dasya, pure Dasya. Kim Karomi. Ainanda Tanaja Kinkaram. Kinkaram. Of course we want to be Kinkaris. Radha's Kinkari, Radha Kinkari. Radha's Palyadasis. Protected maidservants of Srimati Radhika. But that's also Dasi Bhav. That's Dasi Bhav. That's the foundation, that's the background, but it's expressed through the Bhav of Madhurya, Braja Madhurya, Parakiya Bhav. This is the Bhav, but the background is this Dasi Bhav. And then he serves Ram and Dasiras. And below him is a Shuddha Bhakta, Ambarish, serving all the limbs of devotion. Then you have the Jnani Bhaktas, Jnani or Shanta Bhaktas. So this is the beginning. They say this is the beginning of pure bhakti with Prahlad. He has a whole group with him. Prahlad Maharaj, Bhishmadev, Shukadev Goswami. Aishwarya Gyan. Krishna is perfect. There's no deen to serve him. Then below them, not even in the triangle, because all these gradations I read you, Vrijbhas, let's say from the lowest, Shanta Bhaktas, then Dasya Bhaktas, Shuddha Bhaktas like Ambarish, and then Dasya Bhaktas of a higher category, Premi Bhaktas Hanuman, Prema Para Pandavas, Prema Tura, Uddhav, and then the Vrijbasis. They're the topmost in Braja Prem. But the bottom, not even in the triangle, is not considered even pure bhakti. The beginning of pure bhakti is Prahlad. That's why he's our exemplar. Prahlad Maharaj is our exemplar. What would he say? We say Bhakta Prahlad. Bhakta, and Prabhupada gave so many lectures. What to speak of Mahaprabhu? Mahaprabhu is Rasaraj Mahabhav. He's Rasaraj Sri Krishna, Mahabhav Sarupini Radha. He's absorbed in Divyonmad Mahabhav, Modan and Madanakya, and grinding his face in the walls of the Gambhira and climbing the walls of the Singhdwara and collapsing among the cows, and they're licking his body and contorting his body into a turtle out of intense separation and madness from Krishna. Krishna, 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 hey. And then he goes to Tota Gopinath and he sits down with Gadadhar Pandit, and what does he listen to? Gadadhar, please tell me Rasalila, Venogit. What does he say? No, please tell me Prahlad Charitra. Please tell me Dhruva Charitra. Okay, I'll tell you once, then I'll tell you Rasalila. No, I want to hear again. Okay, I told you twice, now I'll tell you Rasalila.